If anyone looking for a reliable leak detector, don't matter if you're a homeowner or a professional technician, this gas leak detector is for you. Comes with the instructions, comes with one PT330 gas leak detector, 3 AAA batteries, 1 carrying case. This Top T's leak detector is a no-brainer. Click on the link in the description below to learn how you can own one today. The first feature is the large LCD screen. This allows you to easily read the data at a glance. So I'm going to crack this gas valve and we'll see how reliable the PT300 is. It also has an audible and a visual leak detector on here. That's pretty accurate. As you can see, it's turning red. It just detected the leak in less than a half a second. As you can see, as I get farther away, it turns green. So as you can see, that's pretty reliable and accurate. PT330 has a high precision temperature and humidity sensor. Find refrigerant leaks also. Let's put it to the test.